Easy meal, one pan dinner. Idea suitable for any situation. Family size meal. Easy one to make. It's just only like guys, less time to cooking. This dish is easy to make and simple, easy, especially with it's friendly, family dinner friendly. That what you need is time that when you're busy, maybe you want to go somewhere doing other thing. In this chicken and rice recipe, you're gonna grab your cup of rice, 2 cup of rice, wash them, and then your garlic, fill it, and crush it inside the rice, and wash your rice well, and crush your garlic inside the. When you're done crushing your garlic, gonna mix it very nicely and very well. After you're done washing it very well, and you all of this, you've been cut all of this, you gotta grab your chicken size, and you're gonna seasoning your chicken size to your liking. Can go with any recipe you like. This is an easy dinner and quick to make, especially if it's family friendly and good to for gathering together as family or maybe friends, or having just a cool night, enjoying yourself. So you're done doing that, mix your garlic inside the rice, and at the meantime to grab your chicken, put them aside, and begin seasoning your chicken to your liking. This dish is easy and simple to make. Anyone can make it. It's easy and it's just an oven dinner. Just pop it in the oven. Easy, one size dinner. Full of flavor, delicious and amazing. Add your recipe like I do. Add your seasoning like I did. Like I'm adding my seasoning now. You don't add your seasoning. Just place the chicken side on top of the rice to give because you're gonna cook them together. You're gonna bake them together. Actually, it's an oven dinner. Easy when you're having a friend over and you don't spend that much time in the kitchen. It's easy to make. Like I say, chicken rice iklan piole chan birana lo iklan tarani ya kujalo ya piat. The chinen jolo ya piat ya kaja dom jatlal, especially na kaman konta ba kunchi ko bare re kitchen kilo kitchen met ko tam ko kolo ka jazo. Bicara ka pinki ka cham ko marke ko jahan talai to ale. Jahan abani to ale. And da kana olive oil ko ta chata ya soy sauce ko jakana garlic ko jaku take spices ke an ka ka mati. Ko ba ke joli ham na chik to ko tan chicken jaba mat ko ba jo tautin. Ba jo gane krang nam ba jo gane rus nam ban. Ichi rus din kon wako actually. Ichi rus din wako ja tautin. Like I say, when you're done seasoning it, make sure that don't forget your garlic, because you want the chicken to get that flavor too with rice. And don't forget your olive oil and your soy sauce. Besides that, when you're done doing that, mix like rub the chicken and like toss the chicken inside the flavor you just did, and place it on top of the rice, so that when they cook together, they're gonna be cooking together, because that is only one way. It's a one-way dinner actually. Easy, simple, and amazing, and the flavor is so good. Wow, like I'm talking to you now, it's not even in the house, it's finished. That how good was this flavor is. The rice with the chicken size is so amazing. Try it and let me know in the comment section. And let me know in the comment section what was your which part was your favorite in this video, and will you try it? You will. Well, I'm just curious. Don't forget your salt. Add a bit of salt to give it that flavor, and don't forget aluminum paper, like what you see in the store, and rub it on top of the baking of what you're gonna cook, and just start in the oven. Like I did forget actually, but I came along out of the off camera and wrap it and then put it back in the oven. Let it cook. When it's done in the oven, I bring it out to taste, and you guys will not believe it. The aroma was filling the heaven. My daughter was coming to wash. Mom, it's so good and amazing. The dish is so perfect. Look at that, guys. Whew. I will eat that. Someone invite me for real. It's so good, and we have it already. So good, so amazing. Easy for going for a picnic or just having fun over, and you want to chat with them, and you're having your girl over, maybe just want to be family. Maybe you're having your mother-in-law over, just your sister-in-law, your family member. So maybe you just guys coming from work, and you just feel like just want to make something easy, simple, dinner. Easy to make, simple, easy recipe. So far, so good. It's amazing. All you need, just mix it, make it nicely, pop it there in the oven, and you're good to go. No stress, no more work. Easy work, oven dinner, friendly. We talked about your track and tandem kakena. The rice is very nice. It's not stick together, and that's the best part of it, because you don't want this. Don't soak rice. You just want that fluffy rice like this. So good and amazing. Cook well flavor. All the chicken flavor went inside the chicken, and it's the best. The aroma and the garlic is filled the hair. So good and amazing. Try it. Let me know what was. Are you gonna try? Look, let's taste the food. Oh wow, so good. Look at that. Wow, so amazing. Hey guys, don't forget to watch and share, and thank you guys for being a part of the channel. You're watching it for the first time. You're welcome, and don't forget we have cool video about family food and dinner. You may like all the way from South Sudan. We have different recipe in this channel. If you feel the need to want to watch some, click there and I will